Orange marmalade is great on toast, chicken, pork, yogurt, or in oatmeal. It is very versatile. It is delicious and easy to make. Oranges contain so much natural pectin that the marmalade will thicken without any added pectin, so this recipe that I will show you how to do requires no pectin. Unfortunately, my growing zone is too cold to grow orange trees. We purchased oranges at our local market to make essential oil. To make essential oil, we only use the outer skin, so we needed to do something with the oranges. Why not make some homemade natural marmalade? The first step is to make sure the oranges are very clean. I realize you probably won't be making essential oil like we did, and therefore cleaning the oranges is a must. If you purchase organic oranges, I would still do this step to be safe. To clean them, you can take some baking soda in water and gently clean each fruit. This will just allow all of the grocery store chemicals to come off. The next step is to cut the oranges and get as much of the white pulp out as possible. Cut them into eighths or smaller. You can take these and blend them in a blender at this point or wait until the middle of the process. I like to wait until the oranges are slightly warmed on the stove, simply because that helps get the natural pectin warm and working well within the oranges. In a saucepan on your stove, add the cut oranges or orange puree. I had about 4.5 pounds of oranges to begin with. Zest 2 lemons and add their juices to the saucepan. Then add 8 to 16 cups of sugar. This is all dependent on how sweet you like your marmalade. Mix well and bring everything to a boil. Reduce the heat to a slow boil and simmer, but make sure to stir often. Boil this for 35 minutes. When it is done, it will slide off a spoon in sheets, not droplets. Pour this into jars. At this point, you can either water bath can the marmalade for 20 minutes once the water is up to 220 degrees, or you can set them on a towel on the countertop and allow them to cool to room temperature. Store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or you can freeze marmalade for up to 3 months. I used 2 pint jars immediately, but had 4 jars left that I did water bath can for storage on the shelf for up to a year. It is so simple and easy. Have you eaten homemade marmalade? What did you think? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. I think it tastes 10 times better than what you can get in a grocery store. And you know that there are not any harmful preservation chemicals added. This is a good thing to have on your shelf when SHTF happens, just to tide over your sweet tooth. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.